Thanksgiving Cricut Craft Ideas 2023, Part 2. Here's Part 2 of our Thanksgiving craft ideas. Table towel. Step 1. If you have a design to use, upload it to Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Add additional text or images if you wish to. Step 3. Once you're happy with the design, select all, click Align, then select Distribute vertically. Step 4. Click on Align again and select Center horizontally, then click Attach at the bottom right side of the screen. Step 5. Change the color if you wish to, then resize the design. Step 6. Once done, click Make It Turn on Mirror, then click Continue. Step 7. Click Browse All Materials, select the material and click Done. Step 8. Load the material into the machine and start cutting. Step 9. Once it's done cutting, unload the material, trim off the excess and weed out the design. Step 10. Place the table towel on top of the heat press mat and crease out the towel using an EasyPress. Step 11. Take the iron-on design and place it on top of the table towel. Step 12. Press it for 30 seconds, unfold the towel and press the back for 15 seconds. Step 13. Let it cool, then peel off the liner sheet. Wine bag. Step 1. First, upload or create the design in Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Check the size of the wine bag and resize the design if required. Step 3. When you're happy with the design, click Make It Turn on Mirror and click Continue. Step 4. Click on Browse All Materials, search and select the material, then click Done. Step 5. Place the material onto the mat, load it on and start cutting. Step 6. Once it's done cutting, peel off the material and weed out the design. Step 7. Cut them to smaller pieces if required, then place and arrange the design on the wine bag. Step 8. Once you're happy with the arrangement, press it using a mini heat press. Step 9. Make sure to move around and apply the heat evenly. Step 10. Once done, peel off the carrier sheet and it's done. Banner. Step 1. If you have a design to use, upload it to Cricut Design Space. Step 2. If the design has multiple layers, select the design, right-click on it and select Ungroup. Step 3. Scroll down in the Layers panel, select the bottom layer, click on Arrange and select Bring to Front. Step 4. Slide the bottom layer over to the side, click on Shapes and select a circle. Step 5. Resize the circle, place it on the top left side of the design, make a duplicate and place the other circle on the top right side. Step 6. Select the circles, click Align and select Align Top. Step 7. Next, click Combine, then Weld. Step 8. Select the design, right-click and select Slice, drag the back layer apart and delete the sliced results. Step 9. Select both designs, duplicate them, and drag them apart. Step 10. Click on Shapes and select a square to make pennants, go back to Shapes and select a triangle. Step 11. Resize the square, select the triangle and change its color, then resize it to make it look like a pennant. Step 12. Once you're happy with the placement, select both the shapes, right-click and select Slice. Step 13. Delete the sliced results until you're left with the pennant. Step 14. Change the color from the operation section and make as many duplicates as you need of the pennant. Step 15. Next, click on Text, type out a word of your choice, change the font, resize it and change the color. Step 16. Save it, click Make it, click Continue and set the settings. Step 17. Place the material onto the mat and start cutting. Step 18. Once all the designs have been cut, weed out the design and keep all the pieces of the design in one place. Step 19. Assemble the design and the banner. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.